Welcome to YouTube and welcome back to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest, fastest, and most outrageous machines to ever hit the streets. Today, we're about to dive deep into one of the wildest supercars the world has ever seen, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto SVJ. Get ready, because this one's going to blow your mind. Now, if you thought Lamborghini had already reached the peak of automotive madness with the Aventador SVJ or the recently released Revuelto, think again. The 2026 Revuelto SVJ takes everything we thought we knew about Lambo's flagship and turns it up to 11. It's louder, faster, sharper, and yes, even more extreme. Let's start with the design, because Lamborghini has never been a brand to play it safe. The Revuelto SVJ looks like a hypercar that escaped from a science fiction film. The aggressive aero elements are everywhere, from the razor-sharp front splitter to the side fins and that absolutely monstrous rear wing. Every line, vent, and curve is designed not just for drama, but to generate downforce like never before. Lamborghini claims the 2026 Revuelto SVJ produces 20% more downforce than the standard Revuelto, which was already a track weapon in its own right. Underneath that sculpted carbon fiber bodywork lies a powertrain that's nothing short of astonishing. The Revuelto SVJ retains the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, now tuned to produce a spine-tingling 850 horsepower, making it the most powerful pure V12 Lambo ever built. But that's not all, as this beast is also assisted by 3 electric motors, bringing the total system output to a mind-blowing 1,045 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 1,000 horses on tap, making this one of the most powerful Lamborghinis in history. The Revuelto SVJ can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and will keep pushing all the way to a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. Thanks to the advanced aerodynamics package, active rear steering, and the latest all-wheel drive system, the SVJ promises to be an absolute weapon in the corners too. Lamborghini's engineers have put in serious work to make this machine not just fast, but precise and controllable at the absolute limit. Inside the cockpit, things are just as dramatic. Lamborghini has completely reworked the cabin to match the SVJ's extreme nature. The driver-focused layout features a fully digital customizable instrument cluster, carbon fiber sports seats, and an updated infotainment system with track telemetry functions. Everything from the steering wheel controls to the fighter jet-style start button screams performance. One of the coolest updates in the Revuelto SVJ is the new LDVI 2.0, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, System A, basically the brain controlling how the car behaves in real time. It continuously reads road conditions, your driving style, and adjusts everything from torque distribution to suspension damping and rear wheel steering for optimum performance. It makes the car feel alive, like it's working with you, predicting your next move before you even make it. Lamborghini plans to build the Revuelto SVJ in extremely limited numbers, making it an instant collector's item. And of course, the price is as jaw-dropping as the performance. Expected to start well over $750,000, and if you want one, you better move fast because these will sell out in the blink of an eye. So, if you've got a thing for outrageous design, insane performance, and exclusivity, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto SVJ might just be the ultimate expression of automotive excess. It's wild, it's unapologetic, and it's everything a Lamborghini should be. Thanks for watching today's video on Auto Reviews. If you love this look at Lamborghini's latest monster, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insane supercar content,